Once upon a time, in a far-off land, there was a castle, perched on top of a mountain. The castle was surrounded by lush green forests and sparkling lakes. The king who lived in the castle had a daughter with white hair named Lily. Lily was a kind and brave girl, but she had a strange hatred towards birds. She was convinced that all the birds were conspiring against her and wanted to harm her in some way. One day, while wandering in the castle gardens, Lily saw a flock of birds flying overhead. She became agitated and started yelling at them to go away. The birds ignored her and continued to fly over the castle. Lily decided that she needed to take matters into her own hands, and went to see the court wizard, who lived in a tower on the castle grounds. The wizard was an old man with a long white beard and a pointy hat. Lily explained to him that she wanted to get rid of all the birds in the kingdom. The wizard was surprised, and asked her why she had such a hatred for birds. Lily told him that she had had a dream, in which she saw birds attacking her, and since then, she had been convinced that they were her enemies. The wizard thought for a while, and then came up with a plan. He told Lily that he would create a potion that would make all the birds in the kingdom fall asleep. Once the birds were asleep, they could be caught and taken far away from the kingdom. Lily was thrilled with the idea, and asked the wizard to start working on the potion immediately. Days passed, and the wizard finally completed the potion. He gave it to Lily, who was eager to use it. She went to the castle balcony, and poured the potion over the birds flying overhead. Within minutes, all the birds fell asleep, and started to plummet towards the ground. Lily was ecstatic that her plan had worked, but soon she realized the mistake she had made. With all the birds gone, the kingdom fell into chaos. Insects multiplied in great numbers, causing crops to fail, and disease to spread. The natural balance of the kingdom was disrupted, and the land became barren. Lily realized her mistake, and was filled with regret. She went back to the wizard, who gave her another potion that would wake the birds up. She poured the potion over the sleeping birds, and they all woke up, flying away into the sky. The kingdom was restored to its former glory, and Lily learned to appreciate the beauty and importance of birds. From that day on, Lily became a champion of nature, and spent her days protecting the kingdom's wildlife. She even adopted a beautiful white bird as a pet, and kept it close to her at all times, realizing that birds were not her enemies, but rather a beautiful and important part of the kingdom's ecosystem. After Lily realized her mistake, and understood the importance of birds in the ecosystem, she wanted to make amends for her past behavior. She decided to learn more about birds and their behaviors to understand them better. Lily started spending more time in the castle gardens, observing the birds that came to feed on the seeds and fruits. She noticed the different types of birds, their colors, and how they interacted with each other. She also noticed the way they flew gracefully in the sky, and sang beautiful melodies. As she spent more time observing them, Lily started to realize that birds were not her enemies, but rather fascinating creatures with unique personalities and characteristics. She began to appreciate their beauty, and the important role they played in the ecosystem. One day, Lily decided to offer some birdseed to the birds in the garden. At first, the birds were hesitant to approach her, but as Lily continued to offer them food every day, they began to trust her. Slowly, they started to fly closer to her, landing on her outstretched arm, and eating from her hand. Lily was overjoyed that the birds had accepted her as a friend, and she started to spend more time with them. She would sit quietly in the garden, listening to their songs, and watching them play. She even started to whistle tunes, and the birds would chirp back in response. As time passed, Lily's bond with the birds grew stronger. They would follow her around the castle grounds, perching on her shoulder, and singing to her. Lily was filled with a sense of joy and wonder, realizing that the birds were not her enemies, but rather her friends. From that day on, Lily made a promise to herself to protect the birds and all the creatures in the kingdom. She spent her days learning more about the ecosystem and how she could help preserve it. And the birds continued to be her faithful companions, flying alongside her wherever she went.